We're about to tell you why you have to visit the Hainbuch stand at MACH 2022.
Well, we're going to be showing solutions for turning, milling, grinding and gear cutting.
You've got so much, David, but let's cover turning today.
Well, with turning, if you've got a single spindle, twin spindle or a mill turn, we've got all that covered. We've got not only the collet chuck options, but we've got the 3-jaw and the Mandrel for internal work holding.
And there's going to be a lot happening on the stand, isn't there?
Very much so.
You've got a great competition going on, and you're using me as part of the competition as well.
Well, you're the stig of the competition.
Right, it's a quick change challenge, so you've got to get involved. It's going to be one of the biggest challenges at the show, and you can win, what is it exactly?
Buch Champagne and a trophy.
Nice accolade to have. And don't forget, if you can't visit MACH at the event, then we're going to be going live from the Hainbuch stand on Monday afternoon. I can't wait. And I'm going to have to get some practice in, aren't I?
Indeed, and me.
Yeah.